What's up, maniacs? We're back. Tequila Jimmy, the Gringo.
Hi, guys.
Another double reaction on Friday to lead us into the weekend. We will be live tomorrow for my birthday celebration as well as Queen Saiki.
Yes.
We are celebrating together. My birthday is actually Sunday, though.
Live stream.
Live stream, 10:30 a.m. Eastern. If you can be here, be here.
Yeah.
If you can't, too bad. Anyway. Next time. Yeah, exactly. Anyway, we're going to check out two songs today that were requested by Miss Becca Noib.
Becca Noib. Yes.
Becca.
Thank you, Becca.
Becca, thank you so much. She went out and hunted the right links for us to react to. This is off of 80 MTN's channel, both of these songs that we're going to do.
Okay.
We're going to do Turn Me On.
Yeah.
Followed by Take Me Higher.
Okay.
So that sounds like a fun evening, right?
Yeah.
Turn Me On and then Take Me Higher.
That's awesome.
We're going to have some fun tonight.
We're going to have fun.
Yeah, this is on 80 MTN's channel who was in the live stream.
Yeah.
And sent us a really cool horror movie.
Oh.
Thank you. She sent us Rine.
Yes.
Yes, which we have yet to watch because we are going to cast it to the TV and we want to sit down and have time to do it.
Yeah.
But we're doing it either tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah.
One day.
Yeah.
Anyway,
It's nice.
here goes. We're going to start with Turn Me On. Thank you, Becca, for supporting the channel and requesting these tracks by the lovely maids.
Yes.
And we're going to get started with Turn Me On, right?
We got a twofer.
Twofer.
Happy Friday, everybody.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
TGIF.
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. Let me check if there's subs. No, there isn't. Anyway, so we don't waste any time. I need to hear that entire thing one more time. That whole fucking introduction was just out of control.
I know, the way Misa.
By the Thunder Buddies. Those Thunder Buddies together.
Yeah, Akane and Misa were like totally
In
synchronized.
sync, yeah.
Like completely.
And both from another planet right there.
Oh, I'm so happy we're starting this over.
They're visiting right now.
I
right
love
now they're
this.
visiting. I hope they come in peace.
Yeah.
Let's go. Out of control. choruses, pre-choruses are so catchy, man. They're groovy, catchy, eargasmic.
Unexpected.
It's just
too.
so awesome, dude. Like the music is so good. The vocals,
So
everything is so good. And they look so damn cute, each and every one of them.
Yes.
And she is just a monster. Mincho. She came in with that guitar.
I know the way it started out.
instant
It was
aggression.
so. It was like heavy.
Yeah.
Like, and then all of a sudden
Yeah.
that chorus started, and it was just so sweet.
Yeah. This is some next level shit here. Crazy.
It's just I love
Oh,
them.
man.
Like what you say, the phrasing, the way Kanami's choosing her
yeah,
phrasing.
Yeah, no, well, you see that riff. She's playing some really cool riff over Miku's chords, and it's just fucking badass. Badass sounding.
Badass.
That's all. This is the best way to describe it. It's badassery. You ready?
Yeah.
You should be nothing, maybe it's a wildly. So like I in the show. Shoot me down. I will not do like you. I will let it cut off like a Gemini. No sleepless on me. Shoot the takana. Power every news of a
Killer Trend. Did you see that going to that punk riff? Like, it's like straight up punk.
Yeah.
You know? Just they shift gears into like a whole other. The tempo shift is instantaneous, and Akane's just like instant. You know, it's like she picks it up and boom, and everybody's just like, "Let's go!" Ooh, what a ride, right? This is like a ride. Let's keep going.
You should be nothing, maybe it's a wildly. So like I in the show. Shoot me down.
That riff is so cool, man. And she's just accenting. Miku's on the other guitar, accenting the back end of it.
Big time.
It's so full, punchy as fuck, man. Every Band-Maid song's like that.
I love it. Miku is just leaving enough room for like Kanami to do whatever she like. You know,
The rhythm section is ridiculous. Those three. Just Miku, Misa, and Akane. You need absolutely nothing else in your recipe.
It's beautiful.
When you're cooking it up, you just this is a little bit of Akane, a little bit of Misa, a little bit of Miku.
Yeah.
Do a little stirring. You got yourself a powerful rhythm section. My God.
I know.
I mean, you can just come. I mean, you can get so creative over that, vocally and with lead guitars. Just the stuff that you can just start jamming over when these girls are just playing that great shit to play to. They're feeding you this great bowl, you know, and all you have to do is put a little more sauce on it, you know, and finish it off, and then start chowing it down. Man, I don't know, I don't even know what the fuck nonsense I'm saying, but I'm just really, really impressed with those three in this song. The rhythm section is nuts.
Yes.
Right?
Just impressed with like it's still Misa and Akane, how like just synchronized. If you hear them together, it's just so punchy, and they're just like it's just insane together.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Just insane.
Yeah, no, and the time shift back from the punk into the slow was kick ass too.
Yeah.
It's like if somebody, you know, it's fun.
Total ride.
Thank you for this one, Becca. We're having a great time so far.
I love it.
We are definitely turned on. So the song worked. Ready? Here she goes. Oh, man.
Just breaking, breaking down.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. I know we're going to rewind that.
Oh,
I know we're going to rewind that.
yeah.
Misa, my God, how it started out.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
She is a beast. I mean, seriously, I love her. She's my favorite bassist. I love her so much.
Something's wrong with me. I don't know. I'm just not composed.
I love that.
Wow.
Kanami just freaking shredded.
Shredded her fucking ass off and beautifully to like the I'm like she knows where she knows where to touch that.
Yeah.
She touches it in the right place.
Yeah.
She most certainly touches it. She's turning it on.
There you go.
Swing.
Pun intended. I
Yeah.
got it. It was good. That was good. That was good. All right.
This is great, man.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm ready for this. Ready?
I know. Pull it back. You pulled it back to Misa, right?
I think so. We need to get some Misa before Amincho comes in.
Yeah.
Shows everybody what the dilly is. Yeah. You ready? Yeah, there it is. God. Out of control. Yeah. Oh.
Just breaking, breaking down. Tell me up. 言葉だけじゃ no, no, no. 言わせないでよ。Tell me up. 答えはいつでも No, no, no. 本当も嘘も secret. あなただけとそんなわけない。Tell me up. 素直になれない。Yeah, yeah, yeah. 全て受け入れて want me.
Good Lord. Hold on, let me for the fucking.
Yeah, good.
Anyway,
Good.
Akane was just out of control at the end of that song.
Yeah. Yes.
Out of control. I know she's a gorilla, but she's like a fucking silverback.
Yeah.
In this one.
Yeah.
No doubt,
All
man.
the way.
No doubt about it.
Insane.
Hold on, let me put
And
the
I
other
love
song on.
Miku's. I love her voice so much.
Yes.
Oh, do I love her voice?
She kicks that. And her personality on stage.
I love it. Oh, you know what I was gonna say? I love their stage decor. Like you see I love.
Wait up, is this
I love
why is this turning me on? Hold on.
I love chandeliers.
Oh, no
so
wonder.
to
Let me not get with the
see
ones.
like up on the stage that pretty it's like all the little. It's so pretty, like
There
the
we go.
baubles. I like to call it. But yeah, I love
That song was fucking amazing. Thank you, Becca, for that one.
Thank you so
I
much.
am energized. I don't know how they can take me higher on this one. I'm already high up there. But they're gonna do it. I see green lasers or something. Are those lasers?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. I like it already.
I like it already.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, take me
All
higher.
right, so
It's
let's
gotta
go.
be-
Let's go a little bit higher
Thank you.
now.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. I'm so
We
happy.
are doing part 2.
It's Friday.
Take Me Higher. This one is from what does it say? Shinkiba Studio Coast 24th of November 2017.
Yeah.
Okay. The other one was from 2018.
Yeah,
the first
20.
song.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Uh huh.
I don't know. I don't
right.
know about that. All right. You say you are. Ready? yeah. She was going bananas on that Morley wah. She likes that Morley wah that on her pedal board. Yeah, that shit's fucking awesome. I love the shape of that thing. It's like this, you know. It's
yes.
yeah, and it's got like the one I know that she uses because I've seen her pedal board has a knob on it for all kinds of different shit, like different modulation.
Yeah,
it's so cool, and she fucking demonstrated this pedal. She just sold a few Morleys. She just sold one to me. I'm about to buy one.
that's awesome.
Ready?
Yeah.
Gotta hear her wah in this bitch up. Yeah. Yes. She's coming in with a fat riff right after that. She goes, dun, 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 dun. Listen to what Mincho's doing right after her solo.
Yeah,
what she drops is like dun, 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 dun. It's like this really nice melodic riff, heavy melodic, and she just finished fucking going berserker mode on the on the wah there with the guitar. Ready?
Yes. Okay.
I need to hear that one more time anyway. Might as well do it now. Gotta crank this shit. It's a little lower than yellow. Listen to this riff. Looks good now. Yeah. I fucking love Akane. I have to pause it just to say
Yeah,
that.
she is.
Every time she comes on the fucking screen, and I smile.
Yeah.
No, I'm like. That's what it feels like I'm doing. You know, I'm like watching the song.
Yeah, you're like concentrating on Akane,
yeah.
and you're like, oh, I love it.
Yeah, she's just so badass.
She's so
She really is.
Like,
yeah. And Miku's like she's adorable, man.
I love
you know,
Miku.
how can you not love Band-Maid? And they're so rock and roll, like fucking balls to the wall.
Yes, they're.
And you know, I'm a fucking maniac, like to the full fledged now.
Yeah.
Like I'm a maniac.
I love that.
I am a fucking maniac. I love them.
that.
I love this band. I
love
really
this
do.
band.
I genuinely love this fucking band. You ready?
Thank you, Becca.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Holy shit, dude. Hell no. That was fucking man.
That was so
That was
sick.
like, yeah.
That was sick.
That shit is not from this planet.
I swear, Band-Maid is so, every single song is unexpected. All the turns
That
they takes
is-
with everything.
That
It's just
was
sick.
so fucking awesome.
I
what
love
them
that.
going back and forth,
Yeah.
you know, like a fucking duel, it's like a little, like a
little
duel kind of like
duel.
what they did in what's that in Hate, I think it was.
I think so. Hey.
But man, this is like, you know, this is like the devil went down to Georgia shit, you know?
Or
This
the
is-
domination.
No, it was
It was
hate.
hate. It was- yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
but I just, yeah. Oh, I love Misa.
This is good shit. Yeah, I gotta hear that again. Hold on.
Shoot, man.
Oh, hold on.
Man. Becca,
Here we
you
go.
killed it.
You killed it with these two, Becca. We are turned on and high as a kite.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Her hands are so nuts. Oh my lord. I feel like I need to go to rehab. Like I did drugs.
No, I don't want to go to rehab. if this is the drug, I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't
Yeah.
want to. Yeah, I don't want to get rid of it.
Oh my god. That was so fucking rad, dude.
Dude, they're so. All I can say is they're sick.
That
they're
shit was
just
just
sick.
That shit was yeah.
Next level.
Next level. Yeah, I'm fucking A.
I
to the
love
moon.
Band-Maid.
To the fucking moon. With that.
I know. I just love them so much. And Saiki's voice. Holy crap.
Akane's drumming. Miku's fucking guitar fucking sounds great. Her vocal sounds great. Misa's just fucking mopping the floor with everybody,
Yeah.
everything around her.
Everything.
She's just fucking slapping the shit out of everyone. And
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
she's slapping everything so hard, Kanami's guitar is fucking crying the entire song. Because Misa's like, fuck. So that's just having,
It's so true.
Misa beats the fuck out of her and then the guitar cries. You know what I mean? It's like, wah! That's basically what's going on here, man. Seriously. Oh, yeah. Oh, that. Everybody go out and buy a Morley wah pedal now. Because Minsha just sold us all one.
My God. It sounds so good.
Wow. She, this whole song, this is, every fucking song we listened to lately is just, my God. And then everyone keeps telling
Powerhouses.
us in the comments how, you guys you ain't seen shit.
I know. Yeah. They're like, oh,
Like,
yeah.
man, what do you mean we ain't seen shit?
You have to see Bloomin' and you have to see
Yes,
this and
yes,
Dice.
I'm so excited to see
Dice.
Blooming. So fucking excited that I don't know, it's gonna get a bump.
I know. Right?
I don't know where it's at in the rotation, but it's coming. I'm gonna be like,
Oh no, I'm so excited. Becca, these two really kicked ass. Like they were so hard. And Kanami really in both songs.
Yeah.
She just fucked.
let us have it.
I almost said the
Like,
F
go
word.
ahead.
I almost said the F word again. The Band-Maid's got
They've
me
never heard
all.
the F word here.
I know, but they got me all turned, my head all turned and stuff. They're so good.
This is your brain.
But yeah, Kanami.
This is your brain on Band-Maid.
Yeah, so both songs.
Any questions?
Kanami just really stood out big time, and Misa too. But Kanami just really.
I think there was not one that didn't stand out at some point, several times in each song.
No, like how usually like Kanami will just give like a teeny little solo.
Yeah.
She did a lot of
Sometimes she
lead.
does, sometimes she doesn't. That's a great thing about Kanami is that she gives the song what it needs. With beautiful melodic playing is what it needs. Then she gives it back. If it needs to destroy, then she brings on the fucking Minchozilla.
Yeah.
And starts breaking buildings.
Both these two, she totally broke buildings.
Yeah, she was
Both
fucking
of
out of
them.
control. She was out of control.
control.
Misa, I hope she has a great trip back to her planet after this.
Oh my
I hope that
God.
she has a safe journey back to wherever she came from and that she visits
Seriously.
us again because we really enjoy her playing. And hopefully she'll teach some of us humans how she does it one day.
I know, right? My God,
So-
she is amazing. She's
Shit.
brilliant. She is absolutely a genius on the bass.
Yeah.
Just a
That's-
genius.
Yeah, she's powered by AI or something. There's something.
She's just.
I don't know. I want her spinach.
Yeah, I love her. I love this. I love this whole
She's
band.
out of control. She's this whole band. Yes, I can now see. For a while, I saw, oh, man, this band has such a loyal, dedicated following from the get-go, right? But now you really understand why.
I know.
After going through this big journey we have, I can understand why, like, you want to grab onto their legs and not let go, and they're walking. You know what I mean? It's like,
Yes.
let me go. You're like, no,
Yes.
don't believe me.
See, that's I said it was like weeks ago. I said I just want to give them all a hug, and I don't like hugging people. But them, I just want to just give me a hug. You're so awesome, and
They are amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Band-Maid, for this amazing music that you have gifted us with.
On Friday.
And thank you, Becca,
Thank you, Becca.
for turning us on and taking us higher.
Yes.
Into the weekend. Perfect timing.
Perfect timing for the weekend. And I hope to
Absolutely.
see you guys tomorrow at 10:30 Eastern
Tomorrow,
Standard Time
10:30
tomorrow.
a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Thank you.
Try to make it.
Mm-hmm.
No idea what we're going to do, but we'll do something together.
Yeah.
Ishoni.
Yes.
If you'd like to support the channel, you can check the links in the description. You'll find your way, and I'm sure you geniuses will figure out how to do it.
Yeah, and please like and subscribe. It would be really awesome.
Yes.
If you did.
See you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye, guys.